a joke, Mom and Dad.
I'm Holly, that's Ray, and this is our home, Sabado. Subscribe to tag along on the adventure. Ray just took the dinghy over to another boat in our anchorage. He's gonna try and help them get their water maker up and running this morning, and usually I would tag along, but I'm running a little bit behind this morning. So I'm gonna see what I can get done before he gets back. Okay, I don't know if we've mentioned this specifically in a video, but on the first of every month this year, I've been posting like a behind the scenes written blog post, which is basically just a bullet point list of boat related things that we've maybe failed to capture throughout the month. So it's a lot of like boat maintenance, things that have broken, just regular tasks that maybe we deemed uninteresting when it came to filming or writing. And I try to include the prices, just to try and paint a more realistic picture of boat life. So this month we got a lot more hired help than we usually do, so I'm going to include all of the people we hired to do what jobs. Today is April 1st, so I'm going to finish editing and post our March behind the scenes. Alright, boats clean blog is up, and I also finished our provisioning list, so I think all that's left to do is get rid of the trash and grocery shop. Groceries secured. I'm going for a swim this morning. Not super far, but kind of far. And I'm going by myself, so I'm gonna bring my trusted swim buoy. Safety third. That's a joke, Mom and Dad. Water is so clear today. I think it's been 2 or 3 days since a cruise ship has been through, and you can really tell the difference. Two squid, a bunch of pufferfish, I think.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I think
so cute.
they're so cute. They're kind of like chubby.
Did you even puff up?
No. And I saw just a bunch of like snapper.
What, really? Like eating fish?
One was like, I could eat that.
I can't wait to see the video.
I didn't have my spear. But yeah, it was so fun. I'm glad I went. It's so clear.
You didn't get tired?
No. And now I'm just checking on the sail drives,
Awesome.
zincs, props, all that fun stuff while I'm in here. Alright, now I am starving. This is how we soften butter here in the Caribbean. Yum! Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
Here you go, darling.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. And that's our cue to leave. See you later, St. Thomas. Got good speed. It's a little rolly out here though. There's St. Croix. We've just dropped anchor here in Frederiksted. I want you guys to know that I bought this clip and set the GoPro up perfectly to film us setting the sails, and I'm just now realizing that it never recorded, so sorry. Maybe next week.
Cheers, darling.
Cheers, babe. We made it. That's good.
Yeah.
There's a perfect little squall out there. Looks like we're next.